Hi, Jonah. We love you. Happy birthday. Thank you so much.
HG Jonah! Okay na yun.
Hi Ate Jonah, happy birthday. Wish you all the best and thank you po kasi sa tuwing may questions kami, andyan ka po palagi. And salamat po sa pag-guide sa amin ng mga bagong teammates. And I hope you enjoy your day and shot soon!
Happy birthday, Jonah.
So, ayun nga, kagising ko lang. Pero happy birthday, Jonah. Always take care, strive for your dreams, and ayun, ingat ka palagi. Good luck, Lods.
Happy birthday, Jonah. Sana maging mabuting tao ka na. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Joanna Marie! Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo! I love you! Thank you for sunshine, thank you for rain.
Happy birthday, Jonah. Sana umaba pa ang buhay mo. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo.
Hi Jonah, happy birthday. I know you are doing great and I'm hoping you all the best. Namimiss ko na yung tumatawag sa akin na, Ate Glory!
Happy birthday, Jonah. Just want to say thank you for all the help na you gave me when I transferred sa Mountain, and for all the help na you give to the team, all the backup. For your birthday, I wish that whatever dreams you have, you achieve them. Okay, yun lang.
Ayun, so syempre dapat meron din kaming teammates mo. So, good morning, Jo. Belated happy birthday. Pinangsiko ko. Ayun, gusto ko na mag-thank you for being the oldest teammate na nasa Mountain ngayon. Thank you at lagi kang galit. So, wish ko lang na mas feedbackan mo si Gia dahil sumusobra na siya. And lalo mong mas awain yung mga teammates. So, prioritize mo lang din yung pag-aaral mo. Do it over everything else pagdating sa store. Wala kami pa eh. Tapusin mo yan. Ayun lang. May need ka, huwag mo kami lapitan. Wala kami pera. Bye-bye.
Hello. Pardon the setting, but I just got through 1 hour of fucking traffic. But it's all good. I just want to say, Jonah, that a very happy birthday. I think the team is very happy to have you over, and me too as well. Yeah, I like you very much. So yes, happy birthday. I know you will not grow any further in height, but you will grow in other aspects of your life. Whatever. Goodbye.